In the heart of the ancient Roman Empire, during the reign of Emperor Augustus Caesar, a monumental undertaking was about to begin. The year was 31 BC, and the city of Rome, bustling with life and commerce, was on the brink of expansion. The vision was clear: to connect the vast territories of the empire. A network of roads was needed, not just for military might, but for trade, communication, and the unification of a diverse empire. Augustus turned to his trusted engineer, Marcus Agrippa, to bring this vision to life. Agrippa, a man of unparalleled ingenuity, took up the challenge with a determination that echoed through the annals of history. He began with the Via Appia, the first paved road in history, stretching a staggering 350 miles from Rome to Brundisium. Despite the daunting task, Agrippa and his team persevered, carving through mountains, crossing rivers, and overcoming rugged terrain. The construction was not without its perils. Workers faced the harsh elements, laboring under the relentless sun and battling against the unforgiving landscape. Yet they pressed on, driven by the promise of a united empire and the legacy they would leave behind. The roads were more than just a means of transportation. They were a testament to Roman engineering, a symbol of the empire's might and reach. The roads facilitated the movement of armies, the flow of goods, and the exchange of ideas, binding the empire together like never before. The roads were built with a meticulous attention to detail. They were lined with stone markers, mileposts, and rest stops, ensuring that travelers could navigate the vast distances with ease. Even today, remnants of these ancient roads can still be seen, standing as silent witnesses to a time long past. The legacy of the Roman roads extends far beyond the end of the Roman Empire. Their design and construction techniques have influenced modern road systems, from the British motorways to the highways of the United States. The Roman roads serve as a testament to the ingenuity and endurance of the Roman Empire, a legacy that continues to endure to this day. In the annals of history, the story of the Roman roads stands as a shining example of human triumph over adversity, a testament to the power of vision and determination. The roads may have been built centuries ago, but their impact continues to resonate, serving as a reminder of the indomitable spirit of the Roman Empire.